Alright, so now we are going to Mall Bali Galleria. And then, yeah, let's see how it is. The situation in Mall Bali Galleria.
Nowadays.
Yeah.
I hope so we can have
It has a canteen drive-through testing center.
So we are going to the center of testing or we are going to the mall because I got confused.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, on the left side here is the famous duty free. Oh my god, it's closed. I think it's already gone bankruptcy.
I think it was duty free.
It was duty free, then I think, yeah, you see it's bankruptcy for a long time. Nowadays, in every meters, few hundred meters, you will find easily for drive to rapid test. Okay, so we are not going to take the test, but actually we will go to the mall.
But it
Let's
seems
see
very
how it
quiet.
is in the mall. Normally, when a normal time, it's very hard to find a parking.
Famous American brand Starbucks cafe, I think it's open, and the Thai street, but after that seems quiet. Well, this is the main hall in the mall. When I talk, half the mall can hear me because it's so quiet. Echo.
Yeah, so now we are going to the supermarket because the only shop that is open only supermarket and a food court.
Good thing is that the food vendors are open. Famous chat time. Comment below if you ever tried the chat time. I'm not really big fan of it, but many of people love it. And this is the gardens, open air. Yeah, here is the Panina. This is actually a cool place, cool thing, cool desserts. Maybe we're gonna have a dessert here. I will show you what I'm talking about. And back to the mall.
Alright, so now we are going to the supermarket, and then at this mall, only supermarket is open and then other food court. So let's see how it is inside. And yeah, and this one, the only one escalator that is working, this one and that one, so that is why we go here.
Alright, so we are in the hypermart. And as you see, it's not so busy around. This is the main alley. Actually the clothes section, but well, inside the supermarket, so I think it's fine. And one more alley here. Well, this is actually chemical section, but still quiet. And another section, meat, seafood. Well, deserted, what I can say. Well, I never been in supermarket even like this one or any other supermarket, and it's almost no people surrounds. It's like totally super quiet. So this is really not the best sign. Okay, and this is a nice section of my Hindan Radler Zero, non-alcoholic, guys, so don't worry. But that's how it looks like, and you can check the prices if you are interested of the selection in this supermarket. I think they are a little bit pricey to compare to the different, but everything is, well, each market have different prices around. We are still in the supermarket, but here is the small section with some dress, and I think Sayang is thinking to get one. So this is actually the skirt, yeah?
Yeah, 65. Yeah.
50k, yeah? Alright, so we are after shopping in the hypermart. I don't know if it's called like this, hyper, I don't know.
So I bought
Some goodies
top,
and
then
skirt.
this is skirt, only 65k.
Heading now to looking for some food court. I hope so. Some warungs in the malls are open.
You mean the restaurant?
Well, warungs
obviously
restaurant,
it's
yeah.
open,
We're gonna
but some of the shop like next to us is Uniqlo.
So Uniqlo, and all the shops are totally closed. And here normally are cars and other boutique shops. Everything is totally closed. Only the cafe shop and the donut shop over there. And we are heading now to find some food. Alright, and that's how it looks, the mall. Outside the food court, there are some people eating, but well, only one table I can see. This is the Grapari. You can buy SIM card here. So the bank is open, and this is the food court from the outside, the tables. Actually, we can sit and have a food. We will, but I just want to show you how empty it is. It's just totally emptiness.
Okay, so this one is Bali Dental Clinic seems open. So whatever regarding to the food and beverage, medical like apotheke, yeah, supermarket, they can still open. And then the restaurants, they can open with the limitation 25% people can dine in with 30 minutes. So now we will have a dinner. Damian is so craving for noodle or something. Let's go down.
And on the way we have to go down, and as you see, empty hall, just totally empty. Actually this passage is totally no shops, like a food shops. So as you see, this one is open only for online. 20 July is finished, but yeah, the rules are extended, and well, that's how it looked like most of the shops. That was Samsung actually. No, we not sponsor Samsung.
Shop, I think this one is the electronic center. I mean like for the phone, you see the iPhone reseller and everything. See, they actually sell it online.
Online, everything is online. Oh, this one is also, and this is another electronic shop. PlayStation. Okay, so this is the donut shop, but not many donuts on the shelves. But here we go, Pizza Hut is closed. That means this is something not right? Pizza Hut closed, guys. Yes. Okay, we are on the food court. I hope so we can find at least something to eat.
Right, so it seems like this Japanese food. Damian is craving for noodles, so we are thinking to buy udon, noodles for Japanese.
Looks pretty decent. We will see. I think it's many empty tables, so should be actually somebody sitting inside. But yeah, we will try this one, honey. Okay. And meanwhile, that's how it looks outside. You can sit also outside if you want. And here is also some Japanese restaurant with sushi. As you see, some people are inside actually. That's actually cool. And here is famous Ryoshi. But yeah.
Alright, so they have a promo actually. This one 49k include with tempura set 1 or set 2 or set 3. So only 50k you will eat all.
That's
so
cool. And I show you how they cook little bit if they don't mind. I think they don't mind. So this is cooking something and the deep fried. And there is the lovely lady with the noodle lady, udon lady. Our udon arrive and other goodies Honey is eating. What's the name of this one actually? I forgot. Tempura. I'm not the expert of Japanese food. However, looks pretty nice.
I've never been to Japan, but I heard that Japanese food is so good.
And you have 5 minutes to eat this.
Yeah, there is someone commented that when they were in Japan, they have to eat in 5 minutes. So we have 30 minutes.
We have 30 minutes, and to compare to the Japan is very quiet here.
So because I don't really like the udon, I prefer ramen actually. Well, this is the first time I eat udon. I just feel like I want to try it. But look at Damian. He has 2 bowls of udon. What do you think, honey? Do you like it?
Spicy.
Yeah, I put chili on it. See, half of the chili I put it there.
I think ramen is better than udon, to be honest. I never tried udon before. Ramen is taste much, I feel better, but still for me okay. Not like for you, but for me it's still okay. Alright, it's already night. We have the noodle time for dessert with this in this place. And this is something what I never saw anyone showing around. This is the dessert in the cup. Like this one. Looks pretty decent. And you have like a...
Oh, 75, you will get 3 package.
3 package for 75.
Okay, so actually today we have a special promo. They got a special promo. So buy 3, only 75k. So Damian is a big fan of chocolate, but never tried this one before. Let's see. Okay, so Damian is so happy because he got my second bowl of noodle. I mean udon, so spicy, and then he needs something sweet for his dessert. Look at
That is
this.
so good. Check this out.
So good.
So good. Alright guys, I think that's it for today's vlog.
So yeah, Damian is so happy with the dessert, and then we got shopping. I think that's all our video. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya. Take care guys.
Honey, what are you cooking? cooking?
Popcorn.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, see? That's why I got the camera. Okay.
So, what is it? The style of cooking popcorn?
Yeah.
Safety cooking at home?